20 She looks white.
What's going on with that birthday bash?
Birthday bash or not? That is the question. Details drop this Friday with Ron T and DJKMP.
Only on U92.7, the desert's hottest music.
What's happening? What's happening? Hey! Hey! Come on, look at me! What's up, Bonnie? What's happening? What's up, Sean Paul? What's happening? Hey! Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's about that time. About that time. Turn this thing on now. Now, let me see everybody do this. Hey! Let's go! Rock it, Bible. You can do it there. You can do it all. Damn, let me see you do it. Hey! Let me see you do it. Hey! Hey! Snap it, Bible. You can do it there. You can do it all. I don't care. Let me see you do it. Hey! Let me see you do it. Hey! Hey! Snap it, Bible. Then rock with it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. Don't drop with it. Do a step with it. Put your hips with it. All my ladies, let me see you pull a twist with it. You can't do it like me. I'm by myself. I do it so good. I don't need nobody else. What's happening? What's up? Got that hurt fired up. What's happening? What's up? Got Patron in my cup. I drink. I'm a Patron in work. Ain't done. I'm with all. To go.